Today is a great day. We're going to be talking about the federal employee retirement benefits and make it simple. We're diving into the essentials of federal employee retirement benefits. So if you're a federal employee or you work for the post office, you want to stick around because this video is for you. We'll keep it simple, straightforward, and clear because understanding these benefits shouldn't feel like a maze. Knowing what you're entitled to and how to make the most of it can make a big difference for your future. So we'll jump into that after this.
Hello, I'm John Sanders. I'm Agency Director of the Benefit Coordinators. I want to thank you for watching our YouTube videos. If you have found them of value, would you please consider clicking the like button, the subscribe button, and also clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We also want to provide you a no-cost copy of our e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. You can either ask us and we will email it to you, or you can purchase one from Amazon. Now, back to our video.
Let's start with the basics. Understanding the federal employee retirement system. The FERS program, that's what we actually call it, or everyone else calls it. This system is made up of three parts. Together, they create a strong retirement foundation. So what are these three parts? You've heard them before, but one part is the basic benefit plan. It's kind of like a pension, but different. Did I just say that? A monthly income is based on your number of years of service and your highest paid consecutive 3 years of service, also known as your high 3 average salary. The second part is Social Security. Yep, as a federal employee, you're eligible for Social Security. Actually, you don't have a choice. You're mandated, just like the private sector workers. Finally, there's the Thrift Savings Plan, or TSP for short. This is similar to a 401k plan where you can contribute a portion of your paycheck, and even better, the government matches your contributions up to a certain amount. When you combine all three parts, you get a solid foundation for retirement that offers both stability and flexibility. Let's take a look at the basic benefit plan a little bit closer. This plan provides a predictable income in retirement. It's based on a formula that includes your years of service and your high 3 salary. And the formula is actually kind of straightforward. We'll put it up here on the screen. You can look at it. It's the basic benefit is actually the years of service multiplied by your high 3 average multiplied by your years of service times another factor of 1% for years of service, or if you retire under 62, or 1.1 if you retire over 62. It's easier to see it than explain it. The more you work, the higher your basic benefit plan will be. Let's move on to Social Security. Social Security employees are eligible for these benefits, and as you work, you pay Social Security taxes just like everyone else in the private sector. I know, oh joy. This means that when you reach minimum retirement age for Social Security, which is at age 62, you're eligible for your monthly benefits. One thing to note is the longer you wait to take Social Security benefits, the higher your monthly check will be. This gives you a choice, starting early for a lower amount or waiting until full retirement age for a bigger monthly check. Social Security adds a nice layer of security, especially when combined with your basic benefit plan. The third part of FERS is the Thrift Savings Plan, or TSP. You can think of it as a powerful tool for growing your retirement savings. With TSP, you're not only saving money, but also earning matching funds from the government if you contribute at least 5% of your salary. And we always encourage employees to save a minimum of 5%. So here's the good news. If you contribute 5% of your salary, the government matches that, giving you free money to grow your retirement savings even faster. And the retirement that you start contributing to TSP, the more that you can earn. TSP also offers several investment options from low-risk bonds to higher-risk stock options, and it allows you to choose which fits both your comfort level and your retirement goals. For example, if you're younger, you might choose a more aggressive investment mix. But as you inch closer towards retirement, you might switch to safer investments to protect your savings. Understanding when you're eligible for retirement is important, and in the federal system, there are three main types of retirement. Number one is immediate retirement. This is available once you meet the minimum retirement age and have enough service years. For most, the minimum retirement age is between 55 and 57, depending upon when you were born. If you reach that age and have at least 30 years of service, you can retire immediately. Or if you're 60 with 20 years of service or 62 with 5, you're also eligible. Number two, early retirement. Sometimes the government offers early retirement options, usually during workforce reductions. If this is offered, you may be able to retire sooner than you planned, though the monthly benefits, of course, will be lowered. Third is the deferred retirement. If you leave federal service before reaching retirement age, you might still be eligible for benefits later. This is called the deferred retirement, when you can collect your benefits once you reach the proper age. As a federal employee, you also have access to health insurance through the Federal Employees Health Benefit Program. And this is a great way to have insurance coverage that continues into retirement. If you've been enrolled for at least 5 years, you can keep your FEHB benefits, and you can have affordable health care coverage when you need it most. In addition to health benefits, federal employees can carry over their Federal Employee Group Life Insurance, FEGLI. You know, I often have been told I say it Figley, but it's FEGLI. This offers peace of mind when your loved ones will have a financial support right there for you. It gets expensive, so you'll want to talk to the benefit coordinators to see if that option best fits your needs. Other important benefits to consider are long-term care insurance and survivor benefits. Long-term care insurance can cover home health care services, assisted living and nursing home care, things that regular health insurance doesn't always cover, and this can protect your savings from big medical costs. Now, the Federal Employee Federal Employee Long-Term Care Program currently, as the time of this recording, is not offered. If you have it, you better keep it, okay? Survivor benefits also allow you to leave a portion of your pension to a spouse or loved one if you pass away. While choosing this option will slightly reduce your monthly benefit, it provides ongoing support for your family, which can bring peace of mind. Here are some tips to maximize your retirement benefits. We're going to go over a few quick tips to make the most of your retirement benefits. Start contributing to TSP early, folks. Start early. Take advantage of that 5% match. With every promotion, increase it. Save more. The more you save, the more you'll have. And I've never met a person in retirement that complained about having too much money. The first 5% is free money, so that boosts your savings automatically. Keep track of your service years. Your benefit is based on the time in service, so make sure your records are accurate. Review your health and life insurance options. Choosing the right coverage will help in your future needs. And update your plan regularly. Life changes every single day, and your retirement plan should also. Here's a few final thoughts. Planning for retirement may feel complex, and truly, it is. And it doesn't necessarily have to be. By understanding each part of your benefits, FERS, Social Security, TSP, you can build a retirement that's strong and fits your goals. Remember, you don't have to figure this out alone. The benefit coordinators are here to help you. With years of experience helping federal employees and Postal Service employees, our team can actually guide you through these options and help you make the best choices for your future. So if you're ready to feel confident in your retirement plan, reach out to us at the Benefit Coordinators. Together, we can make sure your hard work is rewarded with a comfortable and secure retirement. Hey, thanks for watching, and here's to your well-planned future.